How are you? So today we'll be taking inspiration from this image and this image to create this top, which I have on right now. You cannot fully see because I have angled my camera upwards. Let's get into it. So I have these two shirts. You see them? You see them. So I have this one, which is a button-up, short-sleeved, blue pinstripes. Very dignified. And I, for some reason, thought it would be cool to cut off the collar of the shirt. Why did I do this? I never wore it, so why did I do this? I don't understand. I just don't.
I don't understand. I don't understand.
And I also have this one. So I'm gonna be combining these to create the shirt. This shirt doesn't fit in the hip, which is good because it allows us to add the panel in between. So the first thing we are going to do is to remove some buttons. Remove some buttons. Where's my seam ripper? So you got all the buttons off. That was proof. So I've removed the buttons from this side, and we're gonna turn this into a buttonhole placket. So there are gonna be two buttonhole plackets on this shirt. So I've pinned the top and I've aligned them so we can use the existing buttonholes to determine where our new buttonhole will go. So those are the lengths we're going to use to form the middle section. Okay, so the top was about 3. And at the bottom, I'm going to cut this panel out. Can y'all see that? We're gonna give ourselves a safety net. We're not gonna cut directly on the line. We're gonna move out about an inch. Cut up. So I'm gonna hem each edge and then sew buttons onto it, and that'll be that for this section. So I ironed down the hem. Buttons. So I'm gonna line this up and then mark the buttonholes. subscribe. Check out my other social media platforms and all that good stuff that helps support creators on this platform. Until next time.
Bye, have a great time.